Hello and welcome to Quick Tip 41, and somebody asked me to modify, or how you'd go about modifying program 70 so that it returns as part of the function the piv direction. So let me just show you that part of the program. In fact, this is the version that I've changed, and what I'll probably do is make this available with the rest of the program 70 package if you're interested. But what I simply did is the value returned is now the piv direction. It was quite an easy change to make. But what I've also done is added some text and some lines to help us get an understanding of how the program works. So let's look at the program, and I'll show you what I've done. So first of all, using the piv direction, what I've done is added some text showing the piv direction for any bar. So you can see -1 piv direction, then that changes to 1 when we get a new high pivot above this green line. And because this is going to happen very quickly, I'll just talk about what we're expecting now. So we're currently in an upwards direction, but if we get a pivot, and you can see that's just occurred, so we've just had a confirmed pivot below the red line, so this line has formed. You can see that the bar it was confirmed on is this one. We've got in fact this one, and we've got the 3 bars to the right of the pivot, and when we change from when we get the pivot confirmed, we also change the piv direction to -1. So what we're looking for now is the program could either go further down, and this line could be extended, or you'll see this green line beginning to form here. If we get a high pivot formed above that line, then that would mean that we would change direction again, and we would get a new white upwards line forming when that pivot is confirmed. So at the moment we don't really know. So this is why that the zigzag's not necessarily so good live, or using as a live indicator or show me, because at least just for the display of the zigzags, it's very useful in other ways, such as potentially determining levels and so forth. But now we're in the situation where we don't know. The price could suddenly reverse, and we could get this orange line, this down line, extended, or if we go above this green line, we could find ourselves getting another upward zigzag. So what I'll do, I'll leave the program running, and we'll see if we get another up zigzag or down zigzag. And what I'll do, I'll just edit the video so that you're not spending hours watching fairly boring screen develop. Okay, so you can see that after moving sideways a little bit, the price decided to move down, and we have a low pivot, and that is just about to complete with a left strength of 3 and a right strength of 3 bars. And when that is confirmed, what we will see is the orange line, the down zigzag, will be extended to that pivot. There we go. And also you'll see now that the green line, the line that we have to form a high pivot over to change direction, has also changed. So we'll just watch this a little bit, tiny bit longer, and just see if we extend the zigzag downwards or if we get a change of direction. Okay, so again, the price has moved down, and you'll see another pivot forming here. So when we have simply 1, 2, and if this bar completes above this low pivot level, then another low pivot will be confirmed, and the orange line, the down zigzag, will be extended once more. And in addition, the green line will be recalculated based on the new pivot. There you go. So you'll see that the line has been extended again, and the green line is now located here, and again we're now looking either to form a high pivot above the green line, in which case the zigzag direction will be a new zigzag direction, or if we make a low pivot below this pivot, then the line will be extended yet again. So it continues like that, and I hope that's been somewhat useful. This additional program I'm going to include, as I say, with program 70 bundle. If you are not part of our YouTube list, or if you're not subscribed to YouTube, then please click the logo in a few seconds and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And also please join our email list, because not everything is included on YouTube.